Could be a make-or-break day in the felony invasion of privacy case against Missouri Governor Eric Greitens. The judge is expected to rule on a couple of motions filed by Greitens' defense team. Our Brandon Morano has been following the story all morning long for us and joins us live now from outside the Carnahan Courthouse. Good morning, Brandon.
Hey, good morning, Rennie. Judge Rex Burleson is expected to rule on two big motions today. Now, one of them is this motion filed by Greitens' defense team requesting that his jury trial be waived and he be given a bench trial instead. Now, in February, the governor was charged with that felony invasion of privacy. He's accused of taking a picture of a woman who he was having an affair with in 2015 before he was elected. Now, it's important to note the prosecutors still haven't been able to produce that picture, and the defense will ask for the woman's testimony to be thrown out. Now, that's huge because if that happens, it could be a big blow against the prosecution's case. Now, the defense is also expected to ask for that bench trial because they say the widespread media coverage of the case would make finding an impartial jury impossible. Governor Greitens has called this case a political witch hunt multiple times, blasting the bipartisan legislative committee for not waiting until the end of this trial to start their investigation. But even if convicted, it may not be enough for impeachment because the crime Greitens is accused of happened before he took office.
Even though he's accused of doing some pretty heinous things to this woman, it didn't happen in office, and therefore he might be able to not be impeached. With the second one, I think it could be used as a more firm way to get him out of office eventually.
Now, even if the governor is cleared in this case, he's not out of the woods yet. He's also facing a felony charge for taking a donor list from The Mission Continues. That's a veterans nonprofit charity that he co-founded, and they say that he used that list to get campaign donations, basically. So if he's convicted of that charge, it could be enough for impeachment. Now, that's big news because we're less than 2 weeks away from that legislative committee voting on an impeachment. Rennie?
All right, thank you, Brandon.